Hi, so let's solve another activity. Diana, Jelena, and Patricia live in three different places. The location of their houses are shown on the coordinate plane at the right. If each unit on the grid is equivalent to 2 kilometers, how far is Diana's house from Jelena's house? If your house is located midway between Jelena and Patricia's house, what are its coordinates? So you need your distance and midpoint formula for this one. So I already provided your formulas. You have your distance formula is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And you have here your midpoint formula, which is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So let's solve for your first question. How far is Diana's house from Jelena's house? So you have to connect Diana and Jelena. So it's asking for the distance because it's asking how far is Diana's house from Jelena's house. So you need to use your distance formula. But before that, identify your coordinate. So for your point Jolina, it's 6, 8. So this is at 0.68. Next, for your point Diana, that's negative 2, 2. So this is negative 2, 2. Now, you can choose point 1 and point 2. So it doesn't really matter. You'll get the same result. So I want Diana as my point 1, Angelina as my point 2. So applying the distance formula. So the distance, so let's have here Diana to Julina is equal to x2 minus x1. So your x2 is 6 minus negative 2. So let's substitute that one. You have here 6 minus negative 2 squared. Next, you'll have y2 minus y1. So you have y2, 8 minus y1, 2. So that's 8 minus 2. So let's substitute it again. You have here 8 minus 2. Next, we need to simplify this further. So I'll erase that one because we can already solve for the distance. So 6 minus minus 2 is like 6 plus 2. So that's 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. Plus 8 minus 2 is 6. So simplifying this further, we'll have 8 squared is 64. And 6 squared is 36. So the distance between Diana and Angelina's house is 64 plus 36 is 100. So the square root of 100 is 10. But it says each unit on the grid is equivalent to 2 kilometers. So you have there the distance of this one is 10, but each unit is 2. So that's 10 times 2. So this one is 10 units, but each unit, so each unit is 2 kilometers. So the distance between Diana and Jolina's house is 10 times 2, that's 20 kilometers. Okay, next. It's asking the midpoint between Jolina and Patricia's house because it says if your house is located midway between Jolina and Patricia's house, so where's that one? It's this line. Jolina and Patricia's house. What are its coordinates? So you need to identify the coordinates again. For Jolina, we already know that one. That's 6 and 8. And for Patricia, that's 5 and 2. So that's 5, 2. Again, it doesn't really matter. I just want Jolina to be my point 1 and Patricia to be my point 2. So we just have to substitute the points here. So that's x1 is 6, x2 is 5. So we'll have 6 and 5. Next, we have there y1 is 8 and y2 is 2. So that's 8 plus 2. So the midpoint of Jolina and Patricia is, let's simplify this. So 6 plus 5 is 11. And 8 plus 2 is 10. So the midpoint is at 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. That's 5.5 and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So that's the coordinate of your house. So let's check. That's 5.5 and 5. So I'll erase this one. So we have there 5.5 and 5. So that's correct.